You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word. If you want to learn more confusing names from different origins and topics, make sure to stay tuned to the channel. This is the name of a newspaper in Japanese. This is also the name of an index. Japanese pronunciation Nikkei, Nikkei. English pronunciation similarly. It's usually pronounced as Nikkei. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.